And time again, health officials have said widespread vaccinations are the key to reopening the country. Here in Kern County, only select groups can get vaccinated right now, but that's set to change. Per Governor Newsom's mandate, only people in phase 1A and 1B can get vaccinated. This includes healthcare workers, pharmacy staff, people 65 and older, and educators. Many others are eager to get vaccinated. Now Kern County is moving more people toward the front of the line. And the changes are going into effect on March 15th. But who can get vaccinated with those next round of shots?
So a lot of these, groups that are now eligible are likely based upon the data that is showing who is much more susceptible to this disease.
The California Department of Public Health releasing new vaccine eligibility guidelines Friday, giving many Californians with underlying conditions access to a shot. Conditions specified include current cancer patients, chronic kidney disease or pulmonary disease, solid organ transplant, pregnancy, sickle cell disease, heart conditions, severe obesity, and type 2 diabetes. According to data released in February, about 33% of Kern County residents who died from COVID also had diabetes. About 37% of local deaths also had hypertension listed as an underlying condition, but hypertension is not included in the new guidelines. Another group that will be eligible are people who live or work in what the state calls congregate residential settings.
So those are, those that are incarcerated in detention facilities, homeless shelters, behavioral health facilities.
Health officials say public transit workers, including airport workers for commercial airlines, will also be eligible.
All adult Americans will be eligible to get a vaccine no later than May 1.
Kern Public Health says the new eligibility guidelines put out Friday are exciting. So was President Joe Biden's announcement on Thursday that he wants all adults to be vaccine eligible by May. Spokesperson Michelle Corson saying that's a feasible goal, but only if the vaccine supply is ramped up.
The only thing that's missing is vaccine. So once that vaccine starts flowing, we feel strongly that Kern County is ready and able to meet the need.
And nationwide, the push to vaccinate more people is stronger than ever. Today, CDC officials explained what plans are in place to bring more vaccines to the American public.
Now we need to ramp up the number of vaccinators, as we've been talking about, and the number of places where Americans can get vaccinated, so that when all Americans are eligible on May 1st, we can accelerate and move very quickly.
The push comes as President Biden rolled out new goals for vaccinating American adults. Here in Kern County, you can check your eligibility at the Kern County Public Health website and make an appointment to get vaccinated.